This module allows FOC quantity in item transaction row in both sales and purchases documents. To enable it, go to Tools, Program Control, Module Setting. Check the checkboxes of FOC quantity. This module is available in editions of AutoCount Pro, AutoCount Premium, and AutoCount Ultimate. OK. Look at invoice. During transaction, just key in the free of charge quantity into FOC quantity column on the same row of the transacted item. In my example, this means they purchase 10 units of DG100 and get 2 units of FOC quantity. Take a look on the preview. FOC quantity is displayed on the same row of transacted item. If your FOC label and the quantity are not displayed, you have to modify the report layout. To modify the report layout, go back to Invoice Listing screen, click on Report, Design Document Style Report. Select the invoice type, click on Design. Alternatively, you can also go to Tools, Report Designer Navigator. Select Sales, Invoice, Invoice Document. Select Invoice and click on Design. Just pull it down so we can see clearer. Now for the label, click and drag the label, place it here. Double click, change the text name to FOC and put it into the place that you want it to show. Close it. For the details, let's give us some space. Look into Main Data Invoice Master. Scroll down to see the invoice details and look for FOC quantity in base unit. Click and drag onto the space. Okay, make it smaller and put it into the place. Close it. Then click on the preview button to see the layout format. See, we need to do a few more adjustments for the space. Come back to Designer and do the adjustment. After you're done the adjustment, just save the format. Go to File, Save As. Give it a name. Let's say Invoice with FOC quantity. And click on Save. Close it. So there's a report name by Invoice with FOC quantity. The type is User Type. So when next time you preview the report, you can choose the report type of Invoice with FOC quantity. This is it. Alternatively, to put in the FOC quantity, you may add a new row, select an item, and put in the quantity, then change the unit price to 0. In this way, the FOC module is not needed. For FOC report, go to Sales, FOC Quantity Analysis by Document Report. Define the date, click on Inquiry. Here you may view the total FOC quantity and the sales document involved. You may set the default FOC quantity for each item. Go to Stock, Stock Item Maintenance. Select an item, click on Edit, click on Others. Here you can see for every sale of how many items will be entitled to how many units of FOC items. Bear in mind that the FOC item setting is always in base UOM and the item FOC setting does not apply on purchase documents. That's all for FOC quantity module. Thank you.